Ivanka Trump is asked to testify in a fraud trial in New York. As the fourth and last member of the Trump family to testify, Ivanka Trump provided testimony on Wednesday in the continuing civil fraud trial against her father and his company in New York. The oldest daughter of former President Donald Trump is not a defendant in her family's fraud case. Evidence put out in court on Wednesday revealed that she participated in at least one transaction while working for the Trump Organization that was made possible by a document that exaggerated her father's wealth. Ivanka Trump, who was arranging a loan, received a copy of the 2011 financial statement that Trump had sent to a bank official, which was intended to serve as a snapshot of his wealth at the time. 2 days after her father's 4 grueling hours of testimony, Ivanka Trump is making an appearance. She is yelling at the judge presiding over the case as well as New York Attorney General Letitia James. A decade of fraud is alleged against Donald Trump and 2 of his sons in connection with a fictitious increase in the value of the Trump Organization's holdings and net worth. Before leaving the Trump Organization in 2017 to take her father's place in the White House, Ivanka Trump worked as an executive there. She was first named as a defendant in the case, but in June, a New York appellate court dismissed the claims made against her, finding that the statute of limitations in the state precluded them. What Ivanka Trump testified. Attorney General's office lawyer Louis Solomon began the testimony by questioning Ivanka Trump on her past employment and her involvement in various business ventures for the Trump Organization. Solomon quickly consulted a 2011 statement of financial situation detailing her father's holdings. While Ivanka Trump was heading up financing discussions for a Florida golf resort, Trump enclosed the paper in a letter to the then CEO of Deutsche Bank. The judge has already determined that Trump's wealth was exaggerated in the declaration. After a month, the bank made an offer to the Trump Organization that had much better financing terms than what they had previously given. In an email, Ivanka Trump said, "It doesn't get better than this," and she forwarded the offer to other officials of the Trump Organization. A former official of Deutsche Bank who assessed risk for loans to affluent clients testified earlier in the trial that the bank depended, at least partially, on the declaration of financial situation for that particular year. The executive, Nicholas Hague, stated, "I assumed that the representations of the value of the assets and liabilities were broadly accurate." Ivanka Trump claims she couldn't remember seeing or sending the email to the bank CEO. One of her 2 largest projects while employed by her father's business, the Trump National Doral Golf Club in Florida, was the subject of the deal.